Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add clickable link to TikTok bio. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your own TikTok account, okay? And you'll see right here, this is my interface of the app. Just go ahead and close the ads and everything. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on your profile icon on the below right. And you're going to see right here your profile. Just go ahead and hit edit profile. In here you will be able to see that this is the TikTok bio, and as you can see right here, this is a TikTok bio. But if you wanted to add a link or anything in that bio, you won't be able or it won't be able to, like, it won't be clickable for anyone who sees your bio, because it is not possible. There's actually a section for that, right? You can see right here a social, right, which is a new feature added by TikTok. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here into your YouTube or Instagram, and you're gonna just add the link into your Instagram or YouTube, okay? And you're gonna add the official link, and it will be added to your bio. You're gonna see it under the bio right here. You're gonna see the Instagram logo, and basically you'll be able to click one of the links to direct it to your personal profile, and the same goes for anyone, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.